Hi everyone, if you have been using the Rednote app and wondering on how to log out from it, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log out from the Rednote app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Rednote app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap onto three lines at the top left corner, just right here. After that, here you can find the option of settings. Now tap on it. Then to log out, simply tap onto the logout button right here at the bottom. Now tap on it. Then simply tap onto logout once again. Now wait for a few seconds and now you can see you have been logged out. And that's it. This is how you can log out from the Rednote app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.